If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x power 3 minus 7x square plus bx plus 5 equals to 0. If delta 1 is the area of the triangle formed by alpha comma alpha cube, beta comma beta cube, gamma comma gamma cube. Delta 2 is the area of the triangle formed by alpha comma alpha square, beta comma beta square, gamma comma gamma square. Then what is the ratio of delta 1 and delta 2? Since given here alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x power 3 minus 7x square plus bx plus 5 equals to 0. So from here I can write alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of the roots is equal to, so minus of minus 7, that is 7 upon 1, and taken 2 at a time the roots. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to, so b upon 1, and alpha beta gamma is equal to product of the roots is minus 5 upon 1. So keep this aside. And the next one, it is given delta 1 is the area of triangle formed by alpha alpha cube, beta beta cube, and gamma gamma cube. So I can write here delta 1 is equal to half mod of alpha alpha cube 1, beta beta cube 1, gamma gamma cube 1, which equals to half times of alpha alpha cube 1. Suppose if I apply the row operations here, r2 r1 minus r2, r3 r3 minus r1, so we'll be getting alpha minus beta, alpha cube minus beta cube at 0, and here gamma minus alpha, gamma cube minus alpha cube and 0. And again I can consider half of alpha minus beta can be taken from the second row, and gamma minus alpha can take out from the third row. So the remaining alpha alpha cube 1, and here 1, and here it comes alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta 0, and here 1 gamma square plus alpha square plus alpha gamma 0, so which equals to half of alpha minus beta gamma minus alpha into, so we can take the cross product of this, so that is gamma square plus alpha square plus gamma alpha minus alpha square minus beta square minus gamma alpha alpha beta. So alpha square get cancelled, and I can write here alpha square plus gamma square plus alpha gamma minus alpha square minus beta square minus alpha beta. So alpha square get cancelled, and finally I can get the delta 1 value half times of alpha minus beta gamma minus alpha, and here gamma square plus gamma alpha, if I take gamma common, alpha plus gamma I can write, minus if I take beta common, alpha plus beta I can write. So this is what the delta 1 value. Now let us write the delta 2. So delta 2 is equal to half alpha alpha square and 1, beta beta square and 1, gamma gamma square and 1, so which equals to half times of, again applying the same property, r2 r1 minus r2, r3 r3 minus r1, so we can get alpha alpha square and 1, so alpha minus beta, alpha square minus beta square and 0, gamma minus alpha, gamma square minus alpha square and 0, so which equals to half times of alpha alpha square and 1 So I can take out common here alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta and gamma minus alpha I can take common. So it remains second row 1 alpha plus beta and 0 1 gamma plus alpha and 0. So which equals to half times of alpha minus beta gamma minus alpha into, so I can take the determinant of with 1 alpha plus gamma minus alpha minus beta, so that we can write here half times of alpha minus beta gamma minus alpha and gamma minus beta. Okay, and now so delta 1 by delta 2 can be taken. So this is delta 1 and delta 2 value. So half times of your delta 1 value is half times of alpha minus beta gamma minus alpha into gamma of alpha plus gamma minus beta of alpha plus beta divided by half times of alpha minus beta gamma minus alpha into gamma minus beta, and here half of get cancelled, alpha minus beta gamma minus alpha. And now what I will write by using the first condition, alpha plus beta plus gamma is 7, so we can write alpha plus gamma is beta minus 7 gamma times of beta minus 7, sorry 7 minus beta comes, since alpha plus beta plus gamma is alpha plus beta plus gamma is 7, so alpha plus gamma is equal to 7 minus beta times of alpha plus beta is 7 minus gamma, so divided by gamma minus beta, which equals to, so 7 times gamma minus gamma beta minus 7 times beta plus gamma beta divided by gamma minus beta. So here gamma beta get cancelled. So 7 times of gamma minus beta divided by gamma minus beta. So gamma minus beta get cancelled. So answer is 1. So we can say the answer delta 1